Mr. Kumar, good morning. So that's really the first question. How's the Bangalore market shaping up? Because we have seen clear signs of slowdown in some of the metros. Mumbai in particular has seen clear slowdown. What's been the trend in Bangalore?
Well, Bangalore, my understanding is that it is better than some of the other metros. But yes, the market is low. We all wish that it could be better. But if I again...
Okay, sir, we just have to cut the projects which are lined up specifically for you in the Bangalore market.
Our current portfolio of projects in terms of number of projects is 20. If I look at it in terms of how much of revenue it will throw for us, our own economic interest, that comes to 4,100 crores. So this is what is going to go through the P&L over the next 3 to 4 years. Out of this 4,100 crores, in fact, we have only recognized so far 600 crores, so 3,500 crores is still to be recognized.
Okay, well, we've seen
and
some...
bulk of these, except for one project, all of them are in Bangalore right now.
Okay. More details coming in on Lakshmi Vilas Bank, where the stock is inching higher because of the asset quality which has improved this quarter. So the net NPA stands at 1.72 versus 1.85% sequentially, and the gross NPA also has improved to 2.72 versus around 2.75%, I think, on a sequential basis. So there's been a stability rather which has come in terms of the gross NPAs as well as the net NPAs for Lakshmi Vilas Bank. So that will go down well with the street, and like you can see, the stock is reacting higher, close to 4% higher. Good change to see a good number coming in from the banking space.
Yes, that's Lakshmi Vilas Bank up 4%. But Mr. Kumar, you had a good last quarter, but not an exceptional year in terms of FY15. How's FY16 shaping up? Do you think you'll be able to report better numbers than FY15 and by quite a margin?
I think FY16 in terms of the whole year, if I look at it, certainly there'll be a significant growth over the FY15. And the reason, as I explained, was the kind of projects that are in the portfolio right now. And, we will start the revenue recognition. Some of the projects are, out of the 20 projects that I was referring to, 10 are under construction, while, another 6 of them are getting ready for construction, which will begin quite soon, and the balance are under design and approval stage. So, as we start the construction, then, it will reach the threshold for revenue recognition, and that's the time that we will see that, the numbers will start coming through the P&L. So this year definitely is going to be a significant improvement over the last year.
Okay, well, it is definitely a very heavy news flow day, and we have some news coming in from the Madras High Court, which is a relief for Sun TV, and you can see that on the stock, where they've issued an interim order where they can participate, which is the Sun Group can participate in the FM auctions. And remember that they could participate in the mock auctions. Now we have an interim order indicating that the Sun Group can now participate in the Phase 3 FM auctions. So that comes in as a positive. In fact, the stock reacting higher to that news. Mr. Kumar, can you give us an update quickly on how the Ritz-Carlton property is doing for you all in the Bangalore market at this point? And is it successful enough for you all to maybe replicate that model in other markets?
Ritz-Carlton is doing quite well in this from the point of view of the fact that there is an increase which is consistently happening in the occupancy rate. So when we started, the occupancy, of course, was as low as about 25 to 30%, but gradually it has started inching up and it has reached 65%. The food and beverages, that part is doing extremely well. If I compare to the normal hospitality, this particular portion as a part of the total revenue is quite significant. And as the profitability, as the occupancy inches up further, then of course, that will start making our numbers look better.
All right.
As of now, last year you would have seen that there was some impact on the P&L on account of the minority interest charge, which came in on account of the hotel. But this year we will see that starts reducing.
All right, Mr. Kumar, thanks a lot for your time. Unfortunately, you joined us on a news-heavy day, so we could not discuss a lot more that we would have loved to discuss. That's Nitesh Estates. We'll take a break on that note, but up next, we'll talk to Prasant Pirodia, Managing